Hi guys, and welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how to mount a thermal clip-on to two rifles, in this case a CH50W, using Bajonett mounting rings. Those are very expensive, but they are the best way to maintain zero on your rifle setup. You have two profiles for big scopes in the CH50W, profile 3 and 4. Mounting the Bajonett ring as centered with the clip-on as possible is the first step. Turn your thermal device on and center your crosshair of your rifle scope on the center of the screen on your thermal device. On the CH50 you can use the small menu to center it. It's in the center of the screen. Use a 1 Newton-meter torque to not harm your scope. You will hear a click when you reach 1 Newton-meter with this special torque screwdriver whatsoever. Do not over-torque the screws of your ring. Now do the same steps on the second rifle. You get those mounts in a lot of different sizes, but you only need one mount for your thermal, because it can fit both small and big diameter Bajonett rings. Switching rifle calibers from 30-06 to 308 is now very easy. Just mount it on the rifle you want to hunt with. But bear in mind to switch the profile when you switch weapons. I will make another video on how to zero this setup. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more from my channel.